everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create glowing text in CapCut step by step. And it's super easy, so let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then create a new project and then just import a black background like this. And then this black background will help the glow effect stand out more. And then next, just add text, go to text and add text. And then just type anything that you want like this. For example like this, and then you can customize the text however you like. And maybe for this tutorial I'm using a bold font so the glow effect looks stronger and clearer. And then I will resize it, for example like this. You can also change the color that you like this. And then you can also add animations. For example this one. And after that, when you're done customizing the text, just export the video and then go back and then just delete the text before, and then just import the video that you want to add glowing text to. Or if you want a simple glowing text, you can still use the black background like this. And in this tutorial I will just use the black background. And then next, just import the text video that you exported earlier like this, and then just make it as an overlay like this. And then next, just tap on the overlay clip and then go to splice and then go to choose filter like this. And after that, just go to effect, video effect, and then search for its glow, this one. And then go to object and then choose overlay like this. And then go to adjust and adjust the glow intensity as you like. Just tweak it depending on your styles that you want. You want to soft glow or strong neon glow. And okay, that's it. Now you now have a glowing text in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.